I'm super excited today to share with you all my first FabFitFun Box. I'm just super excited because it's like so many girly things in here that I've been wanting and wanting to try. So this is what the box looks like when you get it in the mail. I believe this is the spring box. So you know you get one each quarter every season. So it's $49.99, which is gonna bring you to about $200 a year. But I think everything in the box is valued at $250 or more. So for me to spend $49.99 for that box, I'll take it. So when I first opened it, I noticed that they have their own magazine. So this is the magazine, which I'm so gonna be reading later. Ooh, it has recipes in it, something that I really wanna do. I totally want to try this French toast recipe that's in the back of the magazine. Little letter from the company. It says, a note from us, at FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're especially excited to introduce the editor's box. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. I think that I will. Now the good part. So one of the first things I see, I love to cook, guys. I don't know if you realize that by now. And I love me some Ayesha curry. And I got one of her mugs in this box. So this mug is so cute. It says I'd rather be in bed, which is definitely true on most days. And I'm loving the little gold eyelashes on the mug. That's like a really cute detail. I love gold, so of course. So one of the other things in this box that I've really been wanting to try, I've seen it at Ulta a couple of times, is their Kate Somerville exfoliator. It's called Exfoliate, which is just a play on words. It's so cute. And yeah, I figure if you're big on makeup as much as I am, I know you guys probably can't tell, but it's like really light and I try to do it natural looking. I have to exfoliate my skin at least like once a week because we just want to keep our foundation together before we can add stuff on top of it, okay? Another thing I've noticed in the box is this brand is called Brio Geo. It is a deep conditioning hair mask for all hair types, so I will totally be trying that. So this is another product that I've heard so many great things about. It's called Spongelay. It's basically a body sponge. It is infused, so it is already infused with a scent, so you can just leave it in your bathroom for usage again, I suppose. Oh, it smells so good. It's French lavender. I like this because from what I've heard, the reviews that I've seen, you can actually just bathe with this. Of course, I would use my regular soap first, which is always Dove. I'd use that first, and then I would use this at the end, and then I wouldn't have to put on any perfume or anything. You know, it's probably something cute to just go run errands in or something. Not have to use your other perfumes. All right, for all my pamper yourself girls, this is something in here that's really special for us. This is 4 luxury bath bombs. So gonna be using these. I will definitely have to let you guys know how I like this brand when I use it. I've never seen this brand before. What is it called? I don't know what it's called. I just know the company is called Grace and Stella. I think that's actually the brand. Yep, Grace and Stella. So yeah, this is something else that I definitely was hoping was in my box because I saw someone else do an unboxing video and I seen this particular product by Free People, which is a face mask, but not just any face mask. This one can actually be heated, I believe, as well as cooled, so it gives it like a great little massaging effect on your eyes. So I'm super excited to try this out. And then of course, for all my makeup lovers, we got some Tarte. So I have some Tarte lip paint, and the color is called Salty. It's funny, I kind of have that color on today. This is so me because I stick to pretty much my same color palette when it comes to my makeup. But yeah, this is a great natural nude color. I don't know if you guys can see that. And we also have by Tarte. This one is called Obvi, like obvious, of course. Yep, love this one too. Also another like natural color, similar to the one I have on. All right, last, sure enough, not least, is this Summer in Rose beach bag that I actually chose because when you sign up for FabFitFun, you have an option of choosing like I think like maybe two or three items that come in your box, so you know that you'll get that, but everything else was kind of a surprise to me. Oh yeah, this is a really cute beach bag. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, follow, subscribe. Have a good day.